Kamusta? At welcome sa ating channel ang Motorsiklo PH. Dito ay mapapanood nyo ang iba't ibang klase ng motor, bagong labas o old model man, presyo at lahat ng kailangan mong malaman kapag bibili ka ng motor. Halina at samahan nyo ako na siyasatin ang tampok nating motor ngayon.
The Kawasaki Brusque 125 is a new scooter model. Available in the Philippines, it's essentially a rebadged of Modina's Charisma 125. The Brusque 125 is priced at 75,000 pesos, and it comes in Duchess Gold, Aqua Blue, and Mystic Red. It features a 124.8cc air-cooled EFI engine, all LED lighting, and a modern scooter design. Its key features are engine, fuel-injected EFI, transmission, continuously variable transmission CVT, brakes, front disc brake 2-piston caliper, and a rear drum brake, lighting, all LED, instrumentation, analog digital panel gauge. Other features, USB charging port, hazard light function, 14-liter under-seat compartment, 5.1-liter fuel tank. It delivers the perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency, ready to handle your everyday routes with ease. Its aggressive LED headlight keeps the road bright at any time of the day, while the sporty meter panel gives a sleek, modern touch with a digital fuel indicator.
Na ay nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. Kung ganoon ay pakiclick naman ang subscribe button dyan sa ibaba at ishare mo na rin, at ilike. Malaking bagay at tulong na sa ating channel iyon para makagawa pa tayo ng mas marami pang video patungkol sa mga motor. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and you will have a blessing tomorrow. God bless, see you on the next motorcycle video.